Myself Rahul Kushwaha, pursuing first year MMS from SS Institute of Management Studies. Today my topic is concept of work from home. Work from home. Work from home describes work being done remotely instead of at an office. Work from home is used as a nickname for the concept. Many organizations transfer their employee from the office to a work from home model during the coronavirus global pandemic. Definition of work from home is a concept where the employee can do his or her job from home. Work from home gives a flexible working hour to the employee as well as the job for the employer is done with ease. Nowadays, most of the employees are offering this option to their employees. Brief explanation on work from home. A work from home is a modern work approach enabled through internet and mobility wherein irrespective of the physical location of an individual work can be done. A work from home is also known as working remotely or telecommuting, which implies that the employee is working from a remote location, usually home. There are few points of work from home which I will cover right now. Work from home is as a concept is very important in a current time. It helps to keep a productivity of the employee same or even better, and at the same time support the employer for being with family or handling some personal work. Also, in the case the employee is facing some health issue of self or family, work from home can be a great tool for helping an employee stay at home and work at the same time. In 2020, during a coronavirus pandemic, work from home enabled many companies to remain productive and keep themselves relevant. Roles like IT, management, designing, media, etc. continue to work with work from home option. There are few advantages of work from home. There is a more job applicant for a particular job with a certain people with a location of constant or is disabled people can apply for the job. Even parents with children who tend to leave a job can be retained for the job. There is a more work-life balance. Many people claim that a more quieter or friendly atmosphere is found at home, which helps to concentrate on the work as well as they can complete the assigned work quickly. There is a lot of saving with respect to a cost of office infrastructures like space, electricity bill, etc. Employees feel motivated as they get a good work-life balance and improve their productivity. Asking an employee to work for the hour he or she will work otherwise in office. Maintaining a proper work schedule. If a personal breaks are being taken for a personal work, proper status should be sent to a manager. Designated a place at work where work can be done in a professional setting. Make sure you have proper internet and a mobile connectivity. Many companies provide a reimbursement policy as well. Have a proper routine with breaks. Disadvantages of work from home. There is always a major problem with monitoring the work. The cost of technology infrastructure that is required for implement the concept. There is always a security problem with the data being transferred and that can't be monitored easily. All jobs doesn't is not suitable for the work from home concepts. Sometimes communication problem between employees make it problematic for a job. Uses of work from home. Company before allowing a work from option should be enabled as a mobile organization. Make sure that the employee can work from home securely. Provided a office laptop and hardware if work has to be ensured with a proper security. Have a professional partner of for video and audio conferencing. Put a proper work from home policy in place for employees to follow. Make sure you have a reimbursement policies in place for internet, mobile bill, etc. There are both advantages and disadvantages with this work from home concept, but still most companies are offering this to its employee and this has been a new trend these days. However, some people think the ideal way should be splitting the week with some days working from home and other days visiting office. By doing that, many of the pitfalls can be taken care of it. So it depends on an employee which procedures to be followed. I would like to conclude myself. Work from home should be encouraged because the advantages overcoming the disadvantages also. Office has no longer been the only workplace since many people are considering a work from home. Some may argue the majority of employers should change their workplace from office to home. Thank you.